Hi, my name is Sandra Guerrero, and I'm a tutor for the Office of Student Success at TSTC. I'd like to show you how to use the Cornell note-taking method. The Cornell Notes is an effective tool for learning, and you can use it as an outline for all your chapters throughout the semester. Once you have your Cornell Notes in outline form, it is the perfect review for any test. I'm going to be incorporating this session with college algebra, math 13-14. I'm using this subject because it's difficult for some students already, and incorporating it with Cornell Notes can help you improve your grades in math. You also improve the chances of passing this course and all your other courses. The section that I'm going to make notes for is going to be 4.1, where it talks about polynomial functions and models. This is an example document of Cornell Notes. I'm going to show you how to fill it out. Here you put your name, and like we said, it's going to be about math 13-14, so that is the class and today's date. At the top, you want to list the topic or objective. In this case, it's going to be polynomial functions and models. And indicate the section that you're making notes for. That way, when you go back to sort your notes, you can find it easier by section. The essential question in this section will be, how can I identify the different types of polynomial functions? If you know that you're learning about a specific topic, ask yourself a leading question to that topic. In this case, since we're learning of polynomial functions and models, we want to be able to answer the most important aspects of that topic. And identifying what we're learning about is the best way to understand it. In the left-hand column, this is where we're going to add all our questions. Anything that we need to learn or study in this chapter, you're going to write it on the left side. The right side will be any notes that pertain to those particular questions. The best way to incorporate Cornell Notes is to go by the objectives in the beginning of the chapter. Every chapter will list the different types of objectives that are going to be covered in that section. Those objectives is what you will turn into a question and write on the left-hand column. As you come across subtitles or definitions, turn those as well into a question, and remember that the right-hand column is to answer the questions and give detailed examples of what you're studying, what you're learning. Once you have everything written in your examples of Cornell Note, then you can use those notes as a review for your test. You can refer back to the questions, and if you already fold it at the questions of this line right here, fold your paper down this line and fold it back and ask yourself the question. If you know the answer, then that's how you can tell that you're learning effectively. At the bottom is a summary, and the summary is just a brief statement that can help you understand what you covered in that section. Once you've reviewed your notes enough, you refer to the summary and before you even look at the notes to tell if you understood what was covered in that section. If you can understand what the chapter is about just by reading the summary, then you've studied your notes enough that you don't have to go back and reread the questions. It's an effective tool for learning, and you can use it as an outline for your chapters and to review for your tests. I used it for college algebra today to show you that even in math you can use the Cornell note-taking method. I strongly recommend that you take this method and you use it with the rest of your courses, and that hopefully it will help you maintain your goal for passing your courses. Again, my name is Sandra Guerrero, and I am a tutor for the Office of Student Success at TSTC. If you need any information, you can call 956-364-4170 or visit Building B 101